In this video, I am going to show you how to use the daily check-in feature on Bitget to earn crypto. Check in daily during the event and qualify for daily prize drawings. So the more days you check in, the more rewards you can get. Just head to the rewards section on the Bitget app and click on daily check-ins. Prizes include hot tokens like Solana and Matic, Bitget trading bonuses, and USDT. So, don't miss this opportunity to claim fantastic rewards. Join the Bitget Check-in Challenge now and unlock prizes greater than 1 Solana. But before you do, you gotta know that users must click the Register Now button to participate. Daily Tasks prize will be released upon mission completion. Users will need to complete KWC to claim the campaign reward, and the campaign is exclusively for India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka for some cases. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.